So you guys know that I'm a fan of Kia. I personally own a Kia. I think Kia cars are great, and there's a new one that's just been unveiled now, the EV4 GT line, and we've got a full gallery to go through here on the motoringchronicle.com. So let's not waste time, guys. Let's have a look at this car. I'll show you some pretty pictures of it. I'll overlay it on the screen, and I'll also read out about why this car is a very cool one. Because you know what? I don't like some of the new cars that are coming out these days. Some of them don't look particularly attractive to me. But you know what? This one actually looks all right. I must admit, from a kind of visual standpoint, it looks pretty good in my opinion. So I'll show you those pictures and I'll read out why this is a good one here, guys. But if you want to look for yourself on the website, do head over to themotoringchronicle.com. I implore you do so if you haven't done already. Plenty of other articles just like this, including plenty of other photo galleries as well, are on there. So let's dive in. Kia today unveiled the EV4, showcasing both the EV4 Saloon and the EV4 Hatchback models ahead of the brand's second Kia EV Day event, which will be held in Tarragona in Spain. Developed to enhance the appeal of Kia's EV offering, targeting a broad demographic, the EV4 features a modern design and advanced technologies that resonate with lifestyle-focused buyers who are eager to explore. The Kia EV4 is a clear reflection of our commitment to rethink mobility and expand the boundaries of what design can achieve. By offering both saloon and hatchback variants, we are bringing to our customers the unique experience of modernity and practicality that defines the EV family in a way that suits their varied lifestyles and needs, said Karim Habib, who is the Executive Vice President and Head of Global Design. Offering a fresh take on the saloon, the EV4 Saloon features a sleek low nose and long tail silhouette. The EV4 hatchback is a nimble, versatile all-rounder, distinctive and clean. It is built to excel in any situation. But what defines the Kia EV4's design? Well, it's rooted in Kia's opposites united design philosophy. The EV4 typifies harmony achieved through contrast in a manner not seen before in the compact segment. This ethos is highlighted in the vehicle's dynamic profiles, which blend sharp, distinctive lines with bold technical detailing. The EV4 demonstrates Kia's vision for the next generation of electric saloons through its innovative silhouette, presenting a new typology in a uniform EV market. Every element of the EV's design speaks to a forward-thinking character, embodying a sense of freedom and exploration that resonates with drivers seeking innovation and versatility. With both the EV4 Saloon and the EV4 Hatchback models, Kia's unique design approach ensures both models are equally at home on urban streets or in consonant crossing adventures. What exterior design features characterize the EV4 Hatchback the most, though? Well, it has a contemporary, solid look that is defined by its contrasting black vertical C pillars and crisply executed lines. Like I said, this is a pretty good looking car, I must say. Robust fenders and machined 19-inch wheels add visual strength and a sense of dynamic energy, while geometric patterns applied to the car's lower body sections emphasize its innovative nature. The EV4 hatchback's rear profile mirrors and strong proportions of its saloon sibling when adding its unique character added to itself as well. Sharply sculpted lines, wide positioning tail lights, and a sloping rear wing create a clean, robust look. The bold upright C-pillar trim provides a contrasting visual element, emphasizing the vehicle's proportions and design identity. But let's look ahead now. Let's have a look a little bit to the future here. So 2025 Kia EV Day. What is this? Well, Kia will host its 2025 Kia EV Day in Tarragona in Spain on the 24th of February, where Kia EV4 will make its debut along with the announcement of an expanded electrification strategy. Detailed design and product features of the EV4 will officially be revealed on the 27th of February, and an event video will be released to the worldwide YouTube channel in March. But there we go, guys. Beautiful car, like I said. You've seen plenty of pretty pictures of it. Obviously, like I said, the full article and the full photo gallery are available on themotoringchronicle.com. I did have to skip across a few different quotes there in there. So if you want to read them, you can head over there, of course. If you're on YouTube, the link will be in the description. If you're on another platform such as Microsoft, just go and head to the website. Go and click on the Motoring Chronicles logo that should be below, most likely, depending on how you're viewing the video. And yeah, just head over there. We've got plenty of articles, plenty of stuff going on, obviously. And yeah, hope you guys have a great week ahead. Let me know what you think about this Kia. I think it looks pretty damn tidy, I must say. And yeah, we'll see you soon for some more Motoring Chronicle content here on the motoringchronicle.com. Have a great week, guys. See you later. Like, share, comment, subscribe as well. And yeah, see you later.